Are you a licensed advisor or do you desire to become one? Better still, are you currently looking for something you can do in order to earn extra income? Then this is the opportunity that you have been waiting for. Hi, my name is Joy at Joy Phoebe Omoka, a licensed financial broker and an executive director with Experior Financial Group. On the 28th of October 2023, myself and my business partners will be hosting our signature next level event right here in Edmonton. In this meeting, we will show you the system that we are using to attract and retain licensed agents and clients both in the United States and also in Canada, all from the comfort of our homes, doing this remotely. So go ahead and click on the link in my bio now to register. You can also click on the link below in this video to register as well. But wait a minute, I'm not done yet. In order to say thank you for you taking time out of your busy schedule to register and planning to attend this event, you will receive a $300 hotel discount voucher that you can apply towards your next vacation to any destination of your choice. So what else are you waiting for? Go ahead and click the link now in my bio to register, and I will see you at the meeting. Thank you.